Welcome back, you guys. Sean, Alice, and Lisa here. We're in Callaway right now. Where are we at, you guys?
Bridge Harbor at the corner of Boat Race and Bertha in Callaway, Florida.
Well,
Awesome.
we're going to take you on a drone tour around this subdivision. Some of it's done, some of it is to be done. So let's go take a look.
There it goes.
Over the first quadrant, which is actually behind this fountain, Sean, you're going to see where Phase 4 is going. Phase 4 is directly behind this fountain going to Bridge Harbor Drive. You'll see all the dirt stacked up there. And now I've lost the drone.
It's okay, we're about flying over Phase 3 right now, headed back towards the model home.
Nice. So when you go back over, you'll see where we developed Phase 1, which is almost 118 homes. Those are all sold out. And we're currently developing in Phase 2 now, which is called Bridge Harbor Inlet.
You know what I just realized, Lisa? We're not facing the camera anymore.
This way.
Well, there you go. No wonder I don't know where you are. Here we are at Bridge Harbor, corner of Boat Race and Bertha.
And I have to face this way because the antennas have to face this way. But go ahead and listen to these two lovely, beautiful ladies about where I'm flying.
So Lisa, tell us more about the homes in here and how many homes total we're gonna have in Bridge Harbor, more or less?
When we're built out, we'll be at approximately 450 home sites. We're about a quarter of the way through. Mm-hmm. We've started in Phase 2. We're almost done in Phase 1. We just had some entry lots that we held off on that we're about to build on now. Mm-hmm. So right now we're building in what's called Phase 2 Bridge Harbor Inlet.
Okay.
The cool thing about Phase 2 Bridge Harbor Inlet is we have 12 water lots that are all dockable. And when he flies over that area, you'll be able to see the beautiful views of the bayou.
Sweet. So how many homes on Phase 1? And are they all sold?
About 118, and we have there's 6 that are under construction in that.
Uh-huh.
And 1 that is completed and not sold yet.
Okay. I saw there's 3 for sale in the MLS. And what is about the price point here currently?
Right now we have approximately 8 or 9 express branded homes that are going up in the inlet. And they start at $237 and go up to $285.
Nice. Great price point.
Yeah, and they start at 4-bedroom, 2-bath, going up to 2-story, 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath.
Wow. I know there's only 3 for sale in the MLS, but we talk about that we possibly have some more developing.
Yeah, they're pinned and railed. They may have been poured on Friday before the holiday. And once they get to a milestone 2, where the slab is poured, that's when they get entered into MLS as a home under construction.
Right.
So we have 8 under construction right now. So I do have product to sell that'll be ready for anywhere from the end of August to mid-September.
Nice.
Ready for all of our Tyndall folks coming into the area.
Lovely. And we just drove by the pool area.
Yes.
We saw that it's developing.
Yeah, it's coming along. It's going to be a resort-style pool. There is like a cabana area that has 2 grills where you'll have a grilling area. You'll have men and women's locker room. And the pool's coming along quickly. I can't give you a definite date because COVID slowed down so many things, and our pool was one of them. But it should be up and operational in the very near future.
Lovely, lovely. Now, you told us about the homes that are waterfront.
Yes.
So how many lots, more or less, we're going to have facing that direction?
There are 12 45-foot wide lots, 125 feet deep lots. And we'll be building those on pilings. So those range from 4 bedrooms. I believe I do have a 5-bedroom as well.
Sweet.
And those are in with the architecture now. are the architects now. It's probably going to be within the next 45 to 60 days. We should have good information on what they'll be priced at and how soon we'll be able to get them built and out of the ground.
Well, Bridge Harbor is a wonderful place to be, especially if you're working at Tyndall Air Force Base. We made sweet homeowners in here together. If you're looking for a home close to Tyndall, our contact information is below. If you saw this video, please get in touch with us or Lisa and say, we saw the video, we want to be there.
It's one of my favorite communities we have. Can't wait to hear from you guys.
And I apologize that you got to look at the more attractive side of me the whole time. But hopefully you got to see some of the views of what can be offered here, and we'd love to help make this a home for you. So give us a call. We'll talk to you guys next time.
Thanks
so
for
much.
watching.